Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Windows 11 and its system requirement and how you can check whether your system can run Windows 11. So as you all know, Microsoft has just announced Windows 11. Okay, you can check it on this link about the system requirements sector. Let's see. These are the basic system requirements, and there is a utility type sort of app, PC health check app, which you can download and install, and then you can check whether your system can run Windows 11 or not. I'm going to run it here so that you can see. Check now. This PC can run Windows 11. If your system does not meet requirement, then it will show this PC can't run, and it will probably also show what the reason of not running Windows 11. So the issue here is all other requirements are pretty normal, but on the hardware side, there's a security feature, UEFI secure boot and TPM2, which should your hardware be capable of. So how to make sure or how to check if your hardware has these features. So basically you have to go to BIOS. So I'm going to run the video which I earlier recorded from my BIOS to give you an overview how to enable these features, because if your system has these features but you have not enabled it, then also you are going to get this PC can't run. So in order to get this message that your PC can run, you have to enable these settings in BIOS if your system has it. If it doesn't have, then probably at the moment you cannot run by default Windows 11. So let's switch to that video which I recorded. So I have a MPG Z390 Gaming Plus motherboard with Intel Core i7 97K CPU. I am right now in advanced mode. Okay, here you can see I'm switching it to easy mode. This is easy mode. Now to advanced. This is advanced. In the advanced mode, you have to go to setting, security, and trusted computing. And then you have to enable security device support enabled and keep the TMP setting to PTT. Then you're going to see TPM 2.0 device found when you have enabled it. When the first time you enable, you have to restart the computer, go to BIOS again, then you are going to see it here. So this for MSI motherboards. On some other motherboards, you can find sort of in a similar place like security or somewhere. Okay, let's move further. Okay, then you have to go to again advanced on MSI motherboard, and in advanced uh, in advanced you have to go to again, okay, setting advanced. Then Windows OS configuration, and keep the Windows 10 WHQL support to UEFI. Because when you okay, you can ask, okay, there are two options. I think the other was CSM probably, due to brightness of the screen when I was recording the video. These two options are not visible because they were probably in the white sort of font. By the way, you have to keep it on UEFI, and when you keep it in UEFI, then these two options are enabled, which also includes secure boot. So then you have to go to secure boot and you have to enable it, and you probably have to keep it on standard or something, but you have to enable it anyway. So it's enabled BIOS mode UEFI and TPM 2.0. These are the basic requirements, so you can enable it in this way from your BIOS. This is all for now. Bye bye.